making them new again. We start sanding. Follow me for more content. Give me a like and share. Now, time to start applying sealer. This is the result. Thanks for staying until the end.